Get ready for the big reveal. Oop.
Perfect. Stay right there. Squeeze in. I'm gonna take a picture of you guys as a trolley.
That is the coolest looking building.
May I present to you the collector.
But you know her better than I do, obviously. My mom's so funny. She just shared my sister's location with me. She's always not She's so funny.
Most comprehensive assemblage of artifacts and lessons in the galaxy. Hey! On today's tour, you will be allowed into my most secure encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I carefully scrutinize
each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy, and let's mute this guy.
Hearing your incessant clattering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But This plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Ah,
I'll take this.
I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
What?
Hold on to this.
Okay.
When Rocket unplugs you and starts things rocking. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's roll. Okay, I got.
Oh my god! What the fuck? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hey guys, ready to go?
All right, here. Thanks, everybody. See ya.
Why are you thinking that? It barely said so. You did nothing. We did all the planning. It didn't help us at all.
You screamed good.
Maybe that's why my throat hurts today. Wow, I was screaming so much my rib hurts now.